Still using the standard controller that came in the box? In 2026, pro-level PS5 controllers offer better precision, customizable triggers, swappable parts, and serious competitive advantages. If you want faster reactions and better control, these are the ones worth looking at. The NACON Revolution 5 Pro is built for serious competitive players who want deep customization. It offers adjustable thumbsticks, customizable profiles, and advanced trigger settings that let you fine-tune response times. The grip feels solid and comfortable for long gaming sessions, and the build quality is designed for durability under intense play. It also includes weight customization options, allowing you to adjust the feel to match your preference. The layout is slightly different from the standard DualSense, which some competitive players actually prefer for precision control. If you're into shooters, racing games, or esports style competition, this controller gives you a real edge. Check the description below for links and pricing. The Razer Raiju V3 Pro focuses on speed and responsiveness. It includes programmable back buttons, adjustable triggers, and high-performance components designed for competitive gaming. The tactile feedback from the buttons feels crisp and precise, making rapid inputs more consistent. The grip texture helps maintain control during long sessions, especially in fast-paced titles. It supports both wired and wireless connectivity for flexibility. The customization in software allows players to remap controls easily to suit different game genres. For players who prioritize responsiveness and extra programmable inputs, this controller stands out. You'll find the purchase links in the description below. The Turtle Beach Victrix Pro is known for its modular design and pro-level feel. It offers swappable thumbsticks and components so you can adjust the controller layout based on your preferences. The build feels premium and lightweight while maintaining durability. It's designed with competitive gaming in mind, offering fast triggers and responsive inputs. The ergonomic shape supports long sessions without fatigue. This controller is particularly appealing to players who want customization combined with a tournament-ready design. If you want flexibility and a pro-level build, check the description below for links and availability. The DualSense Edge is Sony's official premium controller for the PS5. It keeps the core DualSense features like adaptive triggers and haptic feedback while adding swappable stick modules and customizable back buttons. The ability to fine-tune trigger sensitivity and stick response makes it ideal for both casual and competitive players. It feels familiar in hand, but offers more control options. Build quality is strong, and integration with the PS5 system makes profile switching simple. If you love the standard DualSense but want more control on the customization, this is a natural upgrade. You can find the purchase links in the description below. The HEXGAMING PHANTOM Pro delivers a custom-built feel with performance-focused upgrades. It includes programmable rear buttons and trigger adjustments that enhance reaction speed. The design often features unique finishes and improved grip textures for better control. It's built for players who want something beyond stock controllers without losing comfort. The responsiveness is tuned for competitive gaming, especially in fast-paced shooters. If you want a customized pro-style controller with performance upgrades, check the description below for links and pricing. Upgrading your PS5 controller can seriously improve how your games feel and play. Whether you want deeper customization or faster trigger response, these controllers are built for performance. Subscribe for more gaming gear breakdowns and check the description below for all the links.